How's it going? Today I'm going to be helping you schedule a tech support meeting. The best way to do this is to log in through your Canvas account. Once you log into there, you're going to want to look on your left hand screen and click the Help tab here. Then you're going to want to scroll down and click Online Tutoring and Support. Once you get to this page, you're going to want to click Tech Support here up on the tabs. And then you can also see like the different services that we provide here, and also the hours of operation and additional resources that can help. So to schedule a tech support meeting, just click on this link. It's going to open a new tab as well. And here's the breakdown. So here are the services that we provide. So let's say I want to have a question about Canvas, and then let's book it at 12:50. It also gives you the option here to book with someone specific that you would like, but for this video, just gonna put it on anyone. And most importantly, you want to have your name, email, and your VID. I suggest using your Valencia email, and it also gives you the option to put your phone number so it can give you a confirmation as well as a reminder for your meeting. So let's go ahead and fill that out. All right, let's go ahead and book this. You will also receive an email, and once you click OK, it's going to give you a reminder as well. So pretty much it gives you the option in the email as well as here to reschedule, to cancel the booking, and to add a new booking. It also gives you the person right over here who you will be meeting with, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.